Again, my name's Ethan. Make sure to check out my website, ethanwrenn.com. From there you can find links to all my various socials. Currently live on Twitch and YouTube. Make sure to follow and subscribe if you guys would like to stay up to date with all the latest information. I have a Discord. It's free. Make sure to join it. I'm in there basically 24/7, 7 days a week. I can answer any questions that you guys might have. And yeah. So the next company we're going to be looking at, kind of just said it earlier. Illumina Inc. So again, we just covered Citibank. We've been going in chronological order. We accidentally skipped ILMN. We went to AMAT, but ILM, we're going to cover that right now. So we brought this up in the Discord. It was July 18th, 2022. Now, what was it that caught our interest about this company? Again, we are using the same objective set of indicators that we consistently apply to everything it is that we look at here. So for example, we have our MACD, right? Oversold. Typically a buy signal. We have our RSI touching that oversold, that 30 price point, typically a buy signal. Last time it had done this was in 2012, and since then has grown almost 10x to its all-time high, right? All right. Last time it touched here on the RSI, it proceeded to grow from 50 all the way to $525, $550. So now this opportunity is presenting itself again with the RSI touching that 30. Could show serious signs of growth coming soon. Sentiment is currently low. That is good. You want to be getting in before the hype, before the headlines, before the product releases, before everyone's talking about it. You want to be greedy when others are fearful. That's what sentiment represents. And you want to be fearful when others are greedy. So for example, these highs. Not only that, though, this line right here represents the monthly 180. And as you can see, it has acted as a support numerous times in the past, For example, that RSI time in 2012 that we had mentioned. So let's open this chart up in TradingView and see what we have to offer here. So Illumina Inc. is a biotech company, health technology, biotech, right? As you can see, this blue line is your 180 moving average. It has been used as a support numerous times here. Last time the RSI was as low as it is currently, as you can see right here. Very low, very oversold. Very good buy signal, was 2011. And in that moment, when that RSI touched it, it ran 769%, right? And if you would have continued to hold from that, you would have only gained as much as 2,227%. Let's say right here, 2,000%. That's massive. This is a very blue chip company. It's probably one of the pinnacles of the whole biotech sector in the United States as a whole. It's one of the best biotech companies you can be in. As you can see, since its IPO, it has only grown in a very parabolic fashion. Has shown zero signs of decay, zero signs of depreciation, has only grown. Let's go look at the financials and on the income statements, right? So in 2017, they had a profit margin of 26.34%. 2018, they had a profit margin of 24.78%. 2019, they had a profit margin of 28.28%. Huge numbers. Maybe some of the like these companies we're covering, it just keeps getting better and better. These profit margins just keep getting better and better. In 2020, they had a profit margin of 20.25%, and in 2021, they had a profit margin of 16.84%. What this does is this allowed us to get this great bargain. Again, so as you can see here in 2021, the revenue actually increased, but their expenses also increased and caused their profit margin to be 16.84. I would expect there to be a rebound in that, right? Because they've shown that they are capable of producing damn near a 30% profit margin, probably one of the largest profit margins we've seen on a company to date. Again, this is one of the biggest and best companies you can get in the whole biotech sector in the United States. What are we currently projecting for this company? Again, these are monthly timeframes. Look at the time frame, guys. This is an M. This stands for monthly. Each one of these candles represents 1 month of time. These patterns don't take a day to unfold. They don't take a week. They don't even take a singular month. It could be 1 or 2, maybe even 3 years. But this is a great company that you can add to a long-term portfolio, like a Roth IRA, a retirement account, and just let it continue to produce over time. It's not something you will need to micromanage every day. You know, that's a lot of stress. We don't want to deal with that. We really don't want to deal with that. Your time is your most valuable asset. If you were to be getting in now, again, keep in mind the last time it has touched its what is this monthly 180 moving average, it proceeded to grow 700 and then as much as 2,000 to its all-time high. So from its current price point, we can easily expect a gain of 391%. 391%. Again, this will take a while. It could take, even if that took 10 years. If that was a linear gain, which is not how it works because it would be exponential, right? But in a linear fashion, if you annualize that, that's like 30% per year for 10 years. All you have to do is just place a simple purchase now. Very solid. I love this company. Definitely one to be adding to a portfolio if you want some biotech exposure. Current market cap $33 billion. Again, blue chip, but not insane. Not in the trillions, right? Yet. Yeah. It's most everything I have to say about ILMN. Any questions in chat? Friday was so strong for the markets. Again, when we posted this symbol, it was July 18th, 2022. Let's look at that more carefully. July 18th, 2022. That would have been right in this green candle. Since then, it is currently up 14.89%, running as much as 30% since we had mentioned it in the Discord. And that's in a singular month or so. It's been like 1 month since then, tops. 1 month. Already up 15% and climbing. Very good, great company. What do we got next? I have, honestly, so much to talk about. This next one's actually one of my favorites, guys. If you're here, make sure to stick around. I love this symbol. We've played this symbol so many times before. Ethan, what symbol is it you are talking about? Well, give it one moment and you will find out. If you're new here, again, my name's Ethan. Make sure you check out my website, ethanwrenn.com. From there, you can find links to all my various socials. We're currently live on Twitch and YouTube. Make sure to subscribe and follow if you want to stay up to date with all the latest information. I have a Discord. It is free. Will always be free. I'm in there basically 24/7, 7 days a week, able to assist you whenever you may need. Just a little background. I run a private equity firm. If you're interested, I've been trading for a very long time. So this next symbol we're about to look at, one of my favorites, right? Okay.